Kater and I are in a new vehicle. We just picked up from my mom's house her Jeep. So, what do you think of this car, Kater?
Cool.
Super cool. Kate also got some pearls from Grandpa. The story of this car is actually kind of sad, but I'll tell it anyway because... So my mom had ordered this Jeep right before she retired, and the plan was that she was going to drive this thing like in retirement until our kids needed a first car, and then she was going to give it to Rob as his first car. You know my mom, one thing that you probably know is that she was very much into like vehicle safety and stuff, which is kind of crazy since I drive so nuts, but my first car was a Jeep. She's very strongly lobbied for everybody's first car to be a Jeep or some big SUV. So at Christmas, my stepdad was saying like he's not driving this car, they have a different Jeep and whatever, so he said that he just wanted to give it to us early so we could drive it and enjoy it. And I didn't really know personally like what to make of that. I felt weird taking it or whatever, but finally I was like, that's silly. Like my mom would love to be watching us like have fun in this thing and take the roof off in the summer, that kind of stuff. So he came up to visit this weekend, and Kate's school was canceled today for some reason, so we decided that she would come down with me and pick this thing up. So now we're driving it home. You can tell, so like literally they drove it to Traverse City one time. It has 600 miles on it, and I don't know, it's wild, but this thing is super nice. It's white, tan interior. She ordered this thing from like the factory and waited, and it got delivered and stuff, so, and whatever. This is another vehicle that will never ever leave the fleet. We'll have this thing forever, right, Kater? Love you, Mom. So weird that there's so much more snow south than there is up here, but like there's almost no snow, which means not a whole lot of good snowmobile trails. But I promised Kate we would get a Slurpee, so we are gonna stop at the gas station, get a Slurpee for our last leg of the drive here. I have a haircut tomorrow. This is 1 month. Like my hair is like a friggin' helmet. What was that? We're almost home, and it's finally starting to snow, so we're like in between Kalkaska and where our building is. So I just texted Laura. She's gonna meet us at the shed with the Mercedes so I can park it there. I'm pretty sure that car is absolutely filthy, so I'll have to go back and like wash it sometime before the next couple days. I guess it doesn't really matter. A car's always dirty and salty, but I don't want to just leave it sitting inside with the salt all over it, so I'll go back and wash it at some point. What do you think of this thing?
It's so cool.
What do you think of it, Kate?
Cool.
All right, I'm gonna take your picture. Ready?
I can't believe this is gonna be my first car.
I know. Say thank you, Grandpa. Thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandma.
All right, Mercedes is parked in here. I actually did this last night, but I forgot to film this, and I also forgot my parking permit here, so that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe, and yeah.